to another episode of Kream Access as we take you behind the scenes with the next project that's coming through the workshop. It's an Audi R8. It's a late car and it's been in a really bad accident. It's kind of touch and go at the moment. We don't know where this is going to take us, but first things first, we're going to get her in off the truck, strip the car completely down and assess the damage and see what the car needs and take it from there. We've never really been unable to tackle a job like this before. We've have dealt with worse. So yeah, I'm pretty confident the boys are going to be able to deal with it. But let's get her in and get off the truck and strip it in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's a job in half trying to get the car running, but we've got to put it running first.
Yeah, that makes
the car wouldn't go into neutral. And then we've jacked it up and put the car on a skate on this wheel. Because obviously everything's all rammed up and jammed up on this side of the suspension, that the whole thing just completely ceased. Now be careful because I don't have the brakes for it. Look at this. The whole thing's going to come off. Transformer car. It's like it's a Lambo door, isn't it? Look. Kind of.
First with the R8. Chris is jacking it up, we get the wheel off, dismantle it and find out exactly how serious the damage is. So apart from the exterior damage, the dashboard has got to come out, change the airbags, what have both been deployed. A little bit of door damage going on. So I think we've got a bit of a Luton, transit Luton stuck in it or something along them lines.
As you can see, the bonnet is mangled and it's time for the bin.
So now you can see the doors removed, the hinges are damaged, you've got damage to the A-post here, a lot of damage actually. If you look closely in here you'll see the top wishbone smashed, yeah, no doubt the bottom wishbone's damaged, leg, so yeah, lots to still go through. It's actually torn clean off there, another part of the framework that's smashed. Yeah, so we're just going to carry on stripping and see what we're left with. Okay, so as you can see the car is fully stripped now. All the damaged parts have been removed and we have everything we need in stock now for the car to be repaired. We're going to start off with the suspension. As you can see, Chris is removing the top and lower wishbones and replacing them with brand new components, as you can see here from Audi R8, including the drive shaft. And once he's done that, we're going to see where we are with that, to ascertain whether we need anything else. And then we move on to the body parts, the door, the bonnet, and check for alignment, because obviously a car of this sort of damage is always a level of concern that the car's bananaed, which basically means the car's bent. If that's the case, then obviously we'll have to cross that bridge when we come to it, but judging by what we've seen, it looks pretty much superficial, which means all of the parts that have been damaged on this car are removable by nuts and bolts. You know, they're bolted onto the chassis. We haven't really seen any real chassis damage of any concern, apart from this section here, which is, again, not really structural. So we can cut that section out and replace that with a new one and weld it back in. So yeah, moving on. We'll crack on and get all of this done today and then see where we are with it. I'll get Chris. yeah, so as you can see, he's done a great job of rebuilding that. Everything's folded nicely, hinges in, bonnet's shutting perfectly, and now Paul is taking over to assemble the car, bolt all the parts from today, front bumper, and all the associated parts for the bodywork, and he's going to line it all up so it's all perfect, and then we could then take everything back off again and prep it and get it ready for paint. You can see where he's removed the front radiator as well. The frame is now in place, solid. This is a new one that's been replaced, all bolted exactly where it wants to go. Suspension is in there nice. Brackets have been replaced as well to hold this section in. So yeah, it's coming along really nice. And at some stage today we'll have the front bumper on as well. So, yeah. Look at that. Bang on the button, eh? It's alright. Okay, so it's looking really good. The front bumper has now been fully assembled, and as you can see, perfectly lined up with the bonnet. Paul's done a fabulous job with that, really happy. What do you reckon, Paul? Yeah. All good? Yeah. Wheels on, clearance is all checked. Obviously it needs wheel alignment, but that will be done once the car is painted and leaves the workshop. Really happy with that. Really good. Of this calibre, as you can see, these anti-roll bars deploy from behind the headrest, just to save you from serious injury if the car obviously rolls over. But in this case, that's not happened, so we have to put these back in, and you can do that by pulling on the red tag from this side, while someone on the inside, which will be me, pushes it down. Are you ready now?
Right, so we're in on a Sunday, Kash got us working on the R8. It's about 4 o'clock, we're staying until about midnight, back in at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're working the next 3 Sundays until the Cannon one.
You heard that, Amy?
No.
And we work
That's what I call dedication, boy. Complete for the very first time. She's put back together. Everything is complete. Every nut and bolt has gone back exactly in the way it should, just like factory OEM. It's been another successful build. I'm very, very, very happy with how the car's turned out. The car is geometrically straight. It's had the tracking alignment done. The car is bang on. The car has been repaired to a very, very high standard, as you can see in the build video. And to be fair, you would never be able to tell. Even Audi themselves wouldn't be able to tell this car's been through what it has been. But everything's been put back to its original factory standard form. So yeah, glad to see the back of it now. It's been a long one, this one. We're giving it a last and final wash just to get all the horrible compound that sits between all the little gaps, and so we want to make sure it comes out spot on, really clean and nice. Tomorrow, once the car dries, we'll see any residue that might be left over. We can do that by hand, give it final detail and give it back to its owner for the very first time, and on to the next one. glory. Audi R8 V10 Plus finally repaired to factory standard. It's been a challenge to say the least, but it's been a challenge that we really enjoyed thoroughly. It was a vehicle that sustained major damage in a car accident, and damage which most garages wouldn't be able to take on because of how extensive it was. But that's what makes the job even more special for us, because we love a challenge. So the whole car literally looks like it just rolled out the showroom. All the gaps on the car are gap perfect, the lines are line perfect. And so many of you guys are waiting in anticipation for this build video. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed building it, or repairing it, should I say, even. But yeah, it's been a labour of love. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on the next one.